Look at these numbers: 6, 1 and 6, 16, 6 and 0, 60. They are all written under each other like this, but the way we write each of them, they are not the same. So when a child is not well taught, or he or she is still coming up in the way the figures are written in words, there is no doubt that the child will be making some mistakes. But look at 6, S-I-X, 6. Look at 16, 1 and 6, 16, S-I-X-T-E-N, 16. And look at 60, 6 and 0, 60, S-I-X-T-Y, 60. So you need to teach a child to be able to differentiate this number so that there will be no mistake at all. When the child is well taught, there will be no mistake. So asking a child to write 16, for example, the child will not write 6 thinking that is how 16 is written. So a child who have not yet understood this will write it this way and think he has written 16. And when you ask a child to write 60 in word, he or she must not write 16 thinking that is how 60 is written. So all these things, these numbers, and the way we write them in words is about understanding. When the child understands it very well, the child will be able to write accurately. There will be no mix-up in the way he or she writes the figures in words. So that is why a teacher must teach very well, so that the child does not have any mistake or does not mix up the words together in terms of writing the figures in words. The child must not make mistake. The child must be able to know that 6 is written as I-S-I-X. And when 16 is asked to be written, the child must know that 6 first will be written Y-T-E-N is added to it. All these things is by teaching the child to understand it. When you teach a child that to write 16, you must have in mind of how you write 6 in words. And if you can write 6 in word, it is be very easy for the child to write T-E-N to it. And likewise 62. If the child can still remember how to write 6, it is very easy for the child to write 60. 60 is written in this way. So the child will understand that 6 here will still be written out, Y and TY will be added to it to make it 60. So when a child is well taught, there will be no mix up at all. He or she will write it very well.